Hey guys, what's up? So welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ashita Agarwal. I hope you guys are doing well and I'm back here after so long. So as you can see, my makeup is done and only one thing is missing. Show it to you guys that my mascara is remaining. So I'll show it to you guys this. So I bought fake eyelashes, extensions, whatever you wanna call it. I love the packaging. First of all, this is pinkish, visible at once over here. So they have the steps mentioned over here how to use it. After seeing so many of my makeup videos, you know by now that I am not a fan of eyelash extension or fake eyelashes. We have to apply the eyeliner 2 to 3 times, make a thick layer of eyeliner. Then pick your eyelashes and just keep it above your eyeliner, because it is eyeliner but also a glue that is magnetic. So I'm very excited. Watch till the end to know the results. Get started. Stuck. Why it is stuck? Okay. So this is how it looks like. 3 pair of eyelashes, fake eyelashes, and the magnetic eyeliner glue, or eyeliner, it's not a glue, and the picker. So we have to shake it well before you. This eyeliner bottle, it's nothing written on it, it's very small and lightweight, and then apply it 3 coats, approximately 3 coats. You have to wait until it dries, it becomes magnetic, and I just want to show you the magic, it works or not. Let's see. I don't know if it's gonna work or not. It's very thick. If you can see that, this is very thick. Messing it up, I guess, but oh my god, it's very thick, you guys. You have to be very careful. Okay, by mistake I have done my eyeliner thick, that you don't have to do. I'm scared, you guys, I'm scared. As you can see, I'm done with the eyeliner, the magnetic eyeliner, and I'm telling you guys, this is very sticky, it's very thick. There's a very less quantity in it. I think it's half and more than half empty. And if I close up more, you will see it is very messed up. I have already messed up my eyelashes, my original one, and it is little bit sticky. Guys, I'm crossing my fingers that we do something good, because I have to wash this off and sleep. I hope it does come out. Instruction on the back side of package, it says you have to wait approximately 1 minute. So right now I'm taking this eyelash picker, and then I'm gonna go with I think I'll go with this middle one. And look at how amazing this looks. I love the quality of this because it's very thick and nicely done. So you have to start with the inner corner and then press it towards the outer way, and then I'm keeping it here from the inner corner. Okay. Pressing this fake eyelash with my original eyelashes, and you don't need to touch it even. You can do it by this thing. Oh my god, guys, can you see the difference? I mean, look at this. I'm already loving it. It was very messy in starting. I didn't know what is going on, but you know, I don't even have to exactly touch it. You can just adjust with this picker. Oh my god, I'm loving it, you guys. This is just so brilliant. Inner corner is smaller than the outer corner, so it will be very, you have to try, it will be very clear. As you can see, the inner corner is like it pulls the eyelash towards your original eyelashes. So I'm keeping that in position like this. And I'm just gonna leave it. Okay, if you don't want to touch it, you can definitely set it with this, but actually I think we need to little bit push in the inner corners so that you don't hurt yourself with the holder. Okay, we did it, you guys, we did it. It's done. And oh my god, I am just falling in love with this. Okay, look at my eyes right now because I don't like eyelash or fake eyelashes. But if you are used to it, this is the product. It is completely worth it, you guys. Too much of the magnetic glue, the eyeliner on this one, so my original eyelashes are stuck together, if you can understand. But apart from that, if you go slow and place it in the right order, oh my god, minutes and you're good to go. You don't have to put a lot of efforts on it. So my opinion about this product has completely changed. I love this eyelash extension. I'm sure gonna wear this more now on my shoots. On just giving a very defined and more subtle look to my face. You guys asked me the pros of this. This is very handy, very easy to use. Very easy to carry. You don't have to carry a separate glue with it because the eyeliner itself is a glue for this. They have also given a picker to easily pick up and apply it. Fourth, it is very convenient. You don't have to touch or do much. You just have to keep it and it will stick over the right place. You have to just position it. So it's very easy and quick to use. So it's 4 and 5. It is very reasonable, and I bought it from Amazon. Is that you don't need any mascara over it. So out of 10 I will give it a thumbs up and 9 out of 10. For the pros, I'm giving a 1 con to this. And it is not a huge deal because I think eyeliners and mascaras are a little bit messy. It's not a major but I will say there's 1 con that you have to actually position it properly while applying both the eyeliner and the eyelash, but very sticky. You have to be very careful, otherwise you can mess up each other up. You will mess up your original eyelashes and it will stick together. I just bought it from Amazon. You can just search. I will put down the links. It's not very cheap. It's very cheap according to 3 pairs and the package and the affordability. So I will put down all the links in the description box if you like to buy it. So if you have any particular video request, any reviews, swatches, or any reviews, anything, then comment down below. I will come with that for you guys. So here we come to the end of our video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share to my channel. It will absolutely mean the world to me, you guys. I'll come again with the amazing review. Until then, next video. I love you guys so much.